lights are flashing, the music is pumping, and people are dancing. You're at your first electronic music festival, and it's an experience you'll never forget. So what do? You buy a woven string bracelet from some questionable-looking raver as a keepsake. Or maybe not. Friendship bracelets have been a mainstay of music culture since the 70s, but it didn't start there. Some sources claim friendship bracelets found their origins in the knot-tying arts of macramé as far back as the 13th century Arabia. Others claim the style was influenced way back in 481 BCE in ancient China and was shared by sailors as a hobby on ships during downtime. This style of knot art grew in popularity throughout the 19th century. Eventually, it faded until its resurgence in the 70s. Native American tradition states that the creator of the bracelet makes it with connection to another person in mind. The recipient is entitled to one wish. This wish is imparted into the bracelet on the final knot. To make the wish come true, they must never willfully remove the bracelet. When it falls off naturally, their wish will be granted. And this could take years. If the recipient removes the bracelet, it signifies that the friendship has ended. The colors and patterns chosen by its creator have significant meaning, representing the attributes of the recipient or the wishes attached to every knot, such as pink for love, tenderness, dreaminess, or red for romance, passion, and joy. The patterns have significance too, meaning different things for different people. Oh, there's some really great pattern names like the Easter egg or the flip-flop candy stripe. Bracelets can be made out of almost anything: hemp, embroidery floss, silk, cord, or leather to reflect the personality of the creator and their friends. Friendship bracelets maintain a cultural significance outside of the English-speaking world. In countries of Central and South America, and in India, where they play a role in wedding ceremonies, linking the newlyweds to friends and family. Guests are given beaded bracelets that are to be worn after the ceremony ends. It is said to bring bad luck to the newlyweds if you remove the bracelet early. Royals and celebrities are also getting in on the trend. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge made friendship bracelets with children during their royal tours of Pakistan. The bracelets were made during a visit to the SOS Children's Village, an orphanage, before holding an impromptu cricket match. Jewelry for best friends never goes out of style. For more about making best friend jewelry for adults, visit our resource center at firemountaingems.com. It's time to grab your besties and start creating these great bracelets.